This is the load sheet for the Boeing 737 MAX using the Numbers app on the iPhone. In this case, it's an iPhone 7. Just some basic information. All cells that are blue colored are cells where you can make entries to. Other cells, such as the white cells and gray cells, are for labeling and for calculation purposes. Let's start at the top with flight details. The flight will be going from Antalya to Gothenburg. Flight number is 125. Captain is ABC, 3-letter code. Crew configuration in this case is 3 in the cockpit, 5 in the cabin. And we have 3 pantry code letters: A for two-way, B for one-way, and E for ferry. In this case, we'll use A. So we've made the entries in the blue cells, and below that the white cell shows us our dry operating weight and dry operating index. This cell here, holiday charters, we have a choice of 2 selections: holiday charters or all flights except holiday charters. We'll go back to holiday charters, and that changes the average weight for males, females, children, and infants. On to our next group of cells. We'll distribute the passengers. We are told from our flight dispatch that we have 45 adults in zone A, 50 in zone B, and 57 in zone C. We have a total of 24 children, 5 in zone A, 10 in zone B, and 9 in zone C, and a total of 4 infants, 2 in zone A and 2 in zone C. And then we distribute the baggage, cargo, mail, or transit baggage. We're told that we have 740 kilos in hold 2 and 1,836 kilos in hold 3. Takeoff fuel 11,000, and trip fuel 8186. Going down to the next group of cells labeled limits, we have the maximal zero fuel weight limit, the maximum regulated takeoff weight, which can be adjusted, as you can see it's also in blue, and the maximum regulated landing weight, which can also be adjusted. But in this case, they are right up at the certificated limits. And that basically is your load sheet. The envelope has the takeoff weight, landing weight, and zero fuel weight plotted, and as you can see, they are within the envelope. Going on down to the next group of cells, we have calculated values. Here's where you can see your zero fuel weight figure, takeoff weight, and landing weight with the index and the percentage max figures. This blue cell here is to select the engine thrust rating. We have 3 options: 27K, mid, and low. We leave it at mid, and that tells us that our stab trim is 5.9. So those are where all the entries are made, and then on to the next worksheet is your printable output in the IATA format, and this can be sent to a printer or good or PDF reader file such as GoodReader, or it can be airdropped, messaged, or emailed.